Hi, welcome to our EMS Command Center Server installation tutorial. First things first, we will have to find our installer, which is the MSI file, EmsCommandCenterServer.msi. You have to click and install that first. So over here, welcome to EMS Command Center Server wizard. Click next and then install. Wait for a while. And then once it's completed, click finish and go to this PC, local disk C, and you will see the EMS Command Center Server file over there. Click that, go to EMS Command Web, scroll down all the way until the app setting JSON file. Click on it, and then you will see the init password. It's disabled now. All you have to do is delete the underscore and then change your password, which is your database password. Once done, we have to generate a database password. It's an encrypted database password which we have to generate them. On top we will see a IP over there like 127.0.0.1. This is our database IP address. If let's say you are configuring for another machine, you will have to use the IP for it. So once you key in the password there, all you have to do is click file and save. You can click Control S as well, and then all you have to do is run the EMS command web.exe console to generate the password, encrypted password lah. And once you click that, you will have to go to application log and command web, the EMS, the log file. You will get the encrypted password which I have told you just now. So copy paste that into the same file that we changed the password earlier. Copy, close the file, go back to the same file which is the EMS command web, go back to the app setting JSON again, and then all you have to do is paste the database password at your once paste the encrypted password, you can actually delete the init password, the entire thing including the password together. Backspace and clear the space under, and then save the file. We are good to go here, and you have to paste the encrypted password at application as well. Go to application and then find for the EMS command setting.xml file and find for encrypted password. As you can see, there is an encrypted password, so you have to paste the password in between the values and then save. Close the file, and you have to go back to the same file earlier, which is the EMS command web, and run the same console as we did for the encrypted password. And over here you can see if there is any error in the configuration, it will show here. It's like a log file also lah. So if let's say there is no error, means it will all show info in all green flags and you are good to go. Actually there is no any error so far. And once done, you can actually set the services. Like there is a two type of hosting, which is one for IIS and other one is for run as services. I'll explain how to run these two together now lah. First we will go to IIS first, to Internet Information Services. Click on the desktop and sites, add website and insert the name as you wish. As it's for EMS, I'm using the EMS command server. And select the path, which is the EMS Command Center Server and EMS Command Web. Click OK. And here you have to type the port number. I have created a port number which is 3000. Click OK. And then go to application pools. As you can see, the one you created earlier just now, the EMS command server, double click that. And then the net CLR version, you have to do like change it back to no managed code, and then click OK. And go back to EMS command server. You can actually browse your configuration earlier. You can see the website here. Actually, there is two ways to like check this file. You can actually type localhost 3000 to come to this page as well. This is one of the method you can actually browse from the IIS earlier. And this is another method which you can actually straight away search for localhost 3000. It will still appear the same page. And IIS is done. I will show you how to run the services at PowerShell. All you have to do is copy and paste this command into the PowerShell. Search for PowerShell, run as administrator, and then paste the command that I've given there. So it's already done. Once you completed this part here, you'll have to search services in your Windows. For the part number, you can actually see in the app setting JSON. Earlier I have used 3000 in the IIS. For this, by default, I have set it up 5000 port number. So go to services and then find for the EMS command web. Click that and start. Once it's done, we are good to go as well. You can search the port number, which is localhost 5000. And we are done here. And so now we are into the second part of the video, which is for the EMS Command Center client installation. As usual, go to this PC and then go to your installer, which is the EMS Command Center Client.msi file, and click next, and then choose the EMS Command Center Client. Click next again, and then install. For this part, it will usually take some time, so you can patiently wait for a while. And once it's completed, you can click on the finish button. Okay, click finish now, and then close the tab. Double click on the application again. And for this part here, we will actually need the response code, which is actually the license part lah. And for that, you need to copy the query code and send it to your distributor or the person who manages the license for you. And then once you pass it to them, they will use the query code to generate a license for you. So once it's done, they will send the file to you. All you have to do is select the license and then click the file they have sent you, which is a license, and then click next and OK. So the license will be activated. And then click on the application again. You will need to key in all the credentials here lah, for the server, we will need to key in the local host 5000 or 3000, whichever you created earlier. I'm using the 5000 here, and then for the username, it will be admin.ethicas.net. And the password, login, click Ethicas, and we are good to go here. We are done for the installation part. Thank you.